Hello everyone, my name is Hu Ting Kao. Today I'm gonna make a presentation about my topic, listening is the basic of speaking. There are tremendous textbooks on the internet about speaking skill or how to make the conversation more interesting, but people usually forget one important thing in daily lives. It's called listening. I'm supposed to spend my time searching on the internet some clear evidence about this topic or about how people usually prefer speaking rather than listening. But recently, the chaotic presidential debate helped me a lot already. In this video, I will show you the reason why listening is the basics of speaking and how important listening is in our lives. Now, let's take a look at the people around you. How many times they interrupt your talk? How often they listen to your point thoroughly? And then ask yourself these two questions. So, have you been really good at listening? If the answer is yes, congratulations. You must either become an informed person or have the tremendous empathy, or even both. If the answer is no, don't worry. You are not alone because according to the Harvard University Review Business, the average listener will remember only about 25% of what being said. I hope you can be with me today and I will help you to understand more about this essential skill in our lives. First off, let's begin with the definition of listening. Listening involves tuning to another person and trying to understand what the person is communicating without imposing our idea, judgment, and feelings. Tuning into another person is the action in which we care about what other people are saying and trying to understand into the attitude that we want to know what they mean. Listening is the basic of the speaking because if we don't care about and try to understand what people said, how can we continue the conversation when we don't know how to reply or even argue with their points? According to the Sage Journal, active listening helps establish deeper connection between the speaker and listener, and the listener gives the speaker full attention via inquiry, reflection, respect, and empathy. Particularly, there are 4 steps of listening. First off, the selecting and organizing material is to summarize what we need to listen. Interpreting is to understand the information from the speaker, and then responding is to communicate attention and interest together with reaction from listener or the non-verbal behaviors. However, if we don't remember while listening, the first 3 steps are meaningless. In other words, what we remember is the critical result from listening. Therefore, listening is the preparation for speaking. Listening is how we control and organize words from other people's mouths. And listening is what we need to do if we want to have something to say, because ideas come from the information we listened previously. Moreover, people nowadays suffer much pressure, fatigue, and sadness in their lives. They need someone to listen to what they think and how they feel. Therefore, when we listen to them, we are sending a message that, okay, I know how you feel. I listen to you because I have an empathy. to your sad stories, or even when you feel happy, I will also listen to what you proudly talk about. We don't say this message abruptly by listening. We speak by our mind with our words by listening. But the speaker realizes our empathy, respect our patience, and understand our love with our words. Listening is to help the speaker look at an imaginary mirrors. With our words, listening becomes the basic of speaking when it helps us know what we should say, what we should refine, and how we understand other feelings. Thank you for listening and have a nice week.